How to get Temu promo code for free gifts and stuff. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser. Now if you want the Temu promo code, you want to search for Temu coupon codes on the search bar. Here you're going to find different websites that is going to offer you the Temu promo code. Simply open any one of them. Here you have different offers such as 30% off, 10% off, even 90% off of site-wide. You want to tap on the option of View Coupon. Now simply copy this coupon code and use it either in the Temu website or the Temu application. However, if you want some free gifts from the Temu, then you want to search for Temu free items. Here you have the option of Temu free items and giveaway. Tap on this option. Now from here, if you join Temu, you're going to get free gift, birthday promotions and free baby stuff. However, the thing is you need to use the Temu app in order to get it. Now tap on the Get Now option once you have found your item. Then tap on the Get In App option. Now here it says you can pick 15 items in which 3 are free, only valid in this page. Now you want to pick your items. Now if you pick 12 more items, you're going to get those 3 items for free. If you want some free stuff, you also have a website for that. Tap on the free stuff option to explore it. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.